Allows new aftermarket stereo to be installed in factory location. Fits double DIN stereos with a maximum screen size. Faceplate opening is 3 13/16 by 6 13/16, 96. 8 mm by 173 mm. Precision designed for a gapless fit between the dash and the dash kit. Color and texture matches the factory dash. Easy to install. No special tools are required. Includes step-by-step instructions. Backed by Scosche's lifetime warranty and lifetime tech support. Top reviews from the United States. Kind of perfect. I have in my family two Nissan Versa, almost same, one 2008, the other 2011. I tried another brand of dash kit for one, but it was not perfect. I had to cut some plastic to make it fit the best I could. Then I got the other one, and with the same brand of stereo I choose this kit to try if fita better, and it does. I got it perfect, so make sure you have the aftermarmet adapters for the antenna and the wires, and that's it. Look for a video of the Nissan Versa radio replacement and you will be set in 10 minutes.